Often, hallways are the most overlooked part of a home. Yet this is the space that greets us every day, the connector between rooms and the first impression for anyone who enters our home. With the right paint color, even a narrow hallway can be transformed into a space that feels more open, warm, and full of character. In this video, we'll explore some of the best Behr paint color options for your home's hallway. From calming soft tones to natural shades full of charm. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our latest home design inspirations every week. Number 1. Angelico from Behr. The Angelico color brings a soft pink tone that creates a calming and soothing effect. This color is perfect for hallways that want to appear feminine yet still elegant. It reflects light beautifully, giving the impression of a bright and spacious area. Pair it with white trims or pale wooden flooring for a soft and harmonious finish. Number 2. Almond Butter from Behr. If you want a neutral color that still offers character, Almond Butter is the perfect choice. This light tan shade with a hint of golden undertone is highly versatile and works beautifully for both interior and exterior spaces. A hallway painted in this color will appear elegant yet warm. Number 3. Sagebrush from Behr. Inspired by the desert landscapes of the American Southwest, sagebrush is a gentle blend of olive green and natural earthy tones. This color brings a peaceful and calming atmosphere, ideal for hallways that aim to feel connected with nature. It pairs beautifully with wooden-themed decor or green plants to enhance its natural appeal. Number 4. Honied White from Behr. Honied White is a soft white with golden undertones that adds warmth without feeling heavy. This color brings a sweet and refreshing impression, making hallways appear more lively and bright. Perfect for homes with a modern classic or farmhouse concept. It highlights the beauty of natural daylight beautifully. Number 5. Polar Bear from Behr. One of Behr's most popular whites, Polar Bear is inspired by the beauty of the Arctic and the bright shimmer of ice. This color evokes a clean, spacious, and modern feel, perfect for narrow hallways that need the illusion of a larger space. Pair it with light wood furniture or pastel-toned decor for a look that's soft yet elegant. Number 6. Ceramic Beige from Behr. Ceramic Beige is a soft, golden beige that feels both soothing and refined. This color creates a cozy yet luxurious atmosphere without being overwhelming. Hallways painted in this shade feel inviting and elegant, perfect for those who want a classic look with a modern touch. It also pairs beautifully with natural lighting or warm wall sconces. Number 7. Coconut Shell from Behr. For those who love natural and exotic tones, Coconut Shell is the perfect choice. This soft brown shade brings a calming tropical vibe, like enjoying a seaside dinner at sunset. It's ideal for hallways with a bohemian or rustic theme, especially when paired with rattan decor, woven textures, or lush greenery. Number 8. Basswood from Behr. Basswood brings a bright yet gentle color harmony. Inspired by the golden shimmer of natural wood grain, this shade evokes warmth and joy. It's perfect for family hallways that aim to feel welcoming and cheerful. Number 9. Riverdale from Behr. If you love green tones with a calm hint of gray, Riverdale might be the perfect choice. This color conveys a modern yet soothing impression, making it ideal for hallways with a contemporary design. It pairs beautifully with black metal accents, marble details, or light gray flooring. Number 10. Wind's Breath from Behr. Wine's Breath is a white shade with a soft hint of green, like a fresh spring breeze. This color creates a clean and calming effect, making it ideal for narrow hallways that need a sense of openness and lightness. Pair it with minimalist decor and natural lighting for an even more captivating result. When choosing hallway paint colors, it's important to consider lighting, room size, and the mood you want to create. Soft shades like Angelico and Wind's Breath are perfect for smaller hallways that need to feel more spacious, while natural tones such as sagebrush or coconut shell are ideal for bringing warmth and an organic touch. Whatever your choice, this Behr color collection offers the perfect harmony of beauty, comfort, and character, turning your hallway from a simple passageway into an essential part of your home's overall charm.